Hi everyone, Maddie Champa here with Golden Valley Park and Rec, bringing you today's Home Wrecked Olympic event. We are going to be doing something that I think parents, you are going to quite enjoy, and for everyone else, I think you can have fun with it. We are going to be doing the Laundry Olympics, so it is going to be a lot of fun, and it'll also prepare you for an event that we might have coming up later this week. So what you're going to need is a basket, and possibly some hangers. We'll get to that in a minute. And then what you're gonna need is just a bunch of clothes. I've got a jersey, I've got a sweatshirt, I've got a vest, and I've got some t-shirts. So fill your basket up with whatever you got. Maybe it's clean laundry, hint, hint. Maybe it's stuff you've already put away, but you're just gonna use for this activity. So different ways to do this one. If you're alone, you're only gonna need the one basket. And what it's going to be is basically a time trial for you. So get your phone, your stopwatch, any sort of clock ready, and on your mark, get, set, go. What you are going to do is put all your clothes, folding and however you do laundry. So I have a sweatshirt in my house. We hang our sweatshirts up. So I'm gonna put this one on a hanger. I've got my soccer jersey that I just fold. So I'm gonna do that. That can go in my ready pile. My vest gets folded. And then my shirts at my house, we do this nice little fold like that. So for that, your time trial would be complete once your basket is empty. Now, one thing you can do is maybe you want the activity to be done when it's like this, all your clothes are done and out of the basket. Or if you want an added challenge, you can also do it where you run the clothes to wherever they stay. Maybe your sweatshirt goes in a closet, maybe they go in drawers, a dresser, whatever. So up to you, and then you would hit stop once you are complete, and you can either do it multiple times or just see how fast you are at it. So that's if you're doing it solo. If you're doing it with your family, friends, over FaceTime, whatever you want to do, what you're gonna need is 2 baskets that have the exact same item. So if you have 2 sweatshirts, one's going in this basket, one would go in the other. Again, you can decide if hangers apply for your clothes or not, but you're gonna do the same thing, but instead of racing against the clock, you are going to be racing against the other person. Now, as I said before, what's important with this activity is that you really determine between whoever you're playing with, that you determine what is considered good and complete. If this is how you fold a shirt at your house, or maybe shirts are folded if they look like that. So make sure you clarify those rules before you start, because we would hate for the judges to disqualify you. So same thing, you would just race against the other person. And again, you can decide if you want it to be once the items are out of the basket and folded or hung up, or once those items are completely put away wherever they belong. Have fun with it. We hope you have some laundry extraordinaires in your house, or that you are one yourself. Have fun, and we will see you again tomorrow.